Good morning students. So we have completed our second grammar topic, that is pronouns and its types. And today we are going to start with another grammar topic, that is prefixes and suffixes. And as I have told you, one topic that was left in noun, that is suffix of noun, we are going to complete that topic also here. So we are going to start today with the new topic, prefixes and suffixes. So here is the topic, prefixes and suffixes. Today we are going to start with prefixes and tomorrow we are going to do it the suffix topic. Fine. Prefixes. The first question that arises in your mind is, what is a prefix? Prefix are letters that are added to the beginning of words to form a new word. Fine. We add some letters in the beginning of a word to form a new word. That letters that we are adding in the beginning are called prefix. A prefix is group of letters placed before the root word. As you can see in the example, the word is calculate. I have added some group of words, like I have added MIS, that is miss here. So the new word that is formed, that is miscalculate. So miss here is a prefix. You can add any sort of word, any group of letters, but the new word that is formed, it should have a meaning. Fine. Like next word is qualify. Again I have added certain group of words, like I have added DIS here. So the new word that is formed is disqualify. So DIS, or you can say dis, it is prefix. So it is clear that prefix are letters that are added in the beginning of a word to form a new word. It can be any sort of word, it can be any sort of letters. It is just that the new word that is formed, it should have a meaning. The letters that are added, like MIS, miss is not having any meaning, but the complete letter miscalculate, it is having a meaning. So prefix are letters that are added in the beginning of words to form the new word. It can be any letters, just the new word that is formed, it should have a meaning. Okay. So any group of letters that are added in the beginning of a word are known as prefixes. Like for example, here is a word unhappy. Now the word unhappy consists of prefix un. Un means not. They are combined with the root word happy. As you can see here, the word is happy. I have added the word un here. So the new word that is formed, that is unhappy, and the meaning of that word is not happy. So un here is a prefix because I have added that word to the root word happy. Happy was the root word. I have added certain group of letters, that is un here. So un is added to the base word happy, and the new word that is formed is unhappy, and the meaning of the word unhappy is not happy. So un is prefix. Okay. It is very easy. You can add any sort of letters, just the new word that is formed, it should have meaning. Fine. As you can see here, happy was the word. I have added un to it. The new word formed, that is unhappy, and the meaning of unhappy is not happy. Now here are some common example of prefixes. First, I have in first column there is prefix, in second it is meaning, and in third there are examples. Like first prefix is un. Un means not. As you can see, I have made so many words here: unhappy, unrest, unfriendly. You can even make more words, just the words should have a meaning. So as you can see, we have added un here to the word happy. So un is prefix. We have added un here to the word rest. So un is prefix. Similarly, friendly was the base word. We have added un here. So unfriendly is the new word formed. Second is dislike. Dis means not. Again, I have added dis in the beginning. The word was like. I have added the word dis here. So it is dislike. That means not liking someone. Next is disqualify. Similarly, disappointment. Fine. You can add it to any sort of word. Again and again, I am just telling you that the new word that is formed, it should have a meaning. Fine. Third one is ill. Ill means not. Now as you can see here, the base word is legal. I have added ill in the beginning. So the new word is illegal. Similarly, literate. I have again added ill in the beginning. So it is illiterate. In prefix, we add the word in beginning. So illiterate, illegal. Fine. Next is im. Im means not. Again, as you can see, example, they are impossible, imprison. Fine. Possible is the word. I have added im in the beginning. So the new word is impossible. That means something that is not possible to happen. So im is prefix. Next is in. In means not. Again, as you can see, the word here I have formed is incorrect. That means it is not correct. The base word is correct. I have added in the beginning. So the new word formed is incorrect. Inbound. Next is ir. Ir means not. Again, as you can see, the word is responsible. I have added ir in the beginning. So the new word is irresponsible. Like you can add this word relation. You can add ir in the beginning. That is irrelation. That is irrational. Or you can say irrational. The word is rational. I have added ir in the beginning. So the new word is irrational. Fine. Next is miss. Miss means bad or wrong. Like here the word is fire. I have added miss in the beginning. So the new word is misfire. Similarly, you can say misfortune. Fortune is the word. I am adding miss in the starting. So it can be misfortune. It can be any sort of word. Just the new word should have a meaning. Next is non. Non means not or without. Like the word is sense. I have added non in the beginning. So the new word is nonsense. Similarly, the word is human. I can add non in the beginning. That is non-human. You can add any sort of words in the beginning. Just the new word should have meaning. Fine. Prefix are group of words that are added in the beginning to form a new word. Now this is your classwork. I am going to give you two classwork for today. One is in the video and the second I will send you the picture. You have to form three meaningful words by using the following prefixes. First is un, second is in, third is dis, fourth is ill, next is im, next is ir, and the last one is miss. Fine. So let us quickly revise. Prefix are the letters that are added to the beginning of word. As you can guess, pre means previous, that is in the starting. So prefix is word that is added in the beginning to form a new word. Like the word was calculate, I have added miss in the starting, so the new word is miscalculate. The new word formed should have a meaning. Next is qualify, I have added dis in the starting, so dis is prefix, disqualify. Fine. Like here, happy was the word. I have added un in the beginning. So unhappy, that means not happy. So it is the new word. So un is prefix. Here were some examples. This is your first classwork and I am telling you again. I'll give you another sort of picture that you have to do in your notebook. So there will be two classwork for today. Okay? Thank you.